Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, October 28th. Looking at the satellite briefing picture, what we see with the curvature is a very large ridge well off the Pacific coast into eastern Nebraska, and on the front side of that ridge we have strong northwesterly flow over most of the Rocky Mountain states. We have a little wave well to the north in Alberta, which is going to drop south. We see some clouds ahead of that, and that's in association with a very strong Arctic cold front, which is going to drop south tonight into Tuesday morning. And with that cold front, we're going to spread some light snow and even colder temperatures than we currently have over the region. Looking at the radar loop, we see some very light snow showers starting to push into the Idaho Panhandle and northwestern Montana, and that is associated with the cold front, and those are going to drop south through the day and overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And we can see that cold front pushing into northern Montana, and we see snow over pretty much all of Idaho today. That's generally going to be in the afternoon through tonight hours as this goes through 8 a.m. Tuesday. And as we go to day 2, we have a low in northern Utah. So we're going to have some light snow continue Tuesday morning, especially mainly in the southeast corner of the state. Then by Wednesday, high pressure will dominate and we're going to return to very dry weather. Snowfall, there's a lot of uncertainty with the amounts. Right now we're expecting 1 to 3 inches across the upper Snake Highlands near the Wyoming and Montana borders. Could see 3, possibly 4 inches of higher elevations towards Island Park and Driggs. The heaviest amounts we're expecting will be tonight and Tuesday morning in the southeast highlands. Some of the higher mountain passes could see up to 5 inches, but generally 2 to 5 inches across the eastern mountains. The Snake River Plain even could see possibly an inch, maybe even up to 2 inches in some areas. So we could see some travel issues late this afternoon and tonight, mainly upper Snake Highlands, and then late tonight, Tuesday morning, across Snake River Plain and the southern highlands. As you go further west, amounts should be under an inch. One of the main impacts will be the extremely cold temperatures. High temperatures today may be just slightly warmer than they were on Sunday. Low to mid-30s in the Snake River Plain, close to 40 at Burley. We are going to see an increase of west to southwest winds in the Snake River Plain. It could see 20 to 25 miles per hour ahead of the oncoming Arctic cold front. Then by Tuesday, a big drop in temperatures, highs mainly in the teens mountains, 20s, low elevations, and the cold temperatures are going to remain through Wednesday again. These readings are 20 to 25 degrees below normal, generally upper 20s to low 30s, Snake Plain, 20s in the mountains. Halloween Day, it's going to remain very cold. Again, well below normal, 30s to low 40s, Snake Plain, 20s and 30s in the mountains. Low temperatures, we do expect some cloud cover today or tonight, so those will keep them a bit elevated, 10 to 15 Snake River Plain, southern highlands. Some of the central mountain valleys and up around Island Park and the upper Snake Highlands could drop below zero where it may clear out tonight. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning is going to be the coldest morning. Even in the Snake Plain, some single digits below zero to a single digits above zero. Some of the valleys and the central mountains could see 10 to 15 below at Stanley, 10 below around Island Park. So very, very cold late October temperatures. And as you go into Halloween, still very, very cold, single digits across the board. And start to see a bit of a moderation by Friday, but again, we're well below normal. This trend will continue. The first look at the 8 to 14 day outlook still showing better chances of below normal temperatures across Idaho and also dry conditions. That concludes today's briefing. Again, the main impact is going to be this extremely cold Arctic front dropping south from Canada with light snow, generally less than 2 inches in the Snake Plain, 1 to 3 inches, some areas 4 to 6 inches in the higher elevations of the upper Snake Highlands and also the southeast corner of the state. That will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or go to our website listed below. Thank you.